First, print or pick the reference photo.
Next, copy your subject and sketch it on the paper using your pencil. Keep the strokes light, shade the dark parts. You can use grid lines or transform method to make your sketch more accurate. And after sketching, trace the outline of your sketch using your pen. When tracing the outline, make sure that you will constantly follow your sketch lines.
Next, fill the dark parts that you shaded.
Before we move on, let us show you the different shading techniques that you can use. Outline, put shading, which is hatching, based on the tone of your reference photo. Few reminders: keep the lines properly organized. As much as possible, avoid using big lines. Use different ways like horizontal, vertical, or diagonal on shading to make it more natural. Put some random small circles and dots for details. Also, if you want to make a darker tone, just keep the lines closer to each other.
the sketches.
Lastly, trace again the outline so it will be highlighted. Again, when you are tracing the outline, make sure that you will constantly follow the direction of every lines to maintain cleanliness.